Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the simple blueprint that you can use to start making money online as an affiliate marketer so that you know exactly what you need to do to start earning money online, again, as an affiliate marketer, either to replace your 9-to-5 job or to just make a little bit of money as a side hustle and then roll that into something bigger, such as your own online business. And yes, affiliate marketing online is a real business. And I'm going to show you the exact blueprint right here today, but I want to cover a few things before we get started. First, simply, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you go find a product that someone else owns and you create content around that product, or more specifically around the problem that that product solves. So you are going to be creating content that is going to help people, and then you're going to put that content out into the world, and then you're going to either go find the people that have that problem and give them that content, or you're going to post that content somewhere where people can find it. Let me show you what I'm talking about here on the screen. So here on the screen is your target audience. So what I'm talking about is finding an affiliate offer or a product that you can promote as an affiliate that someone else creates, and then that target audience, you go and find them, or better yet, you're going to use YouTube to let them find you. Now, your target audience is going to find your content on YouTube, and then you're going to create a squeeze page, and you're going to link out from that content on YouTube to your squeeze page. Then you're going to add your target audience to your own email list, and then what you're going to do is you're going to follow up with more content and offers in the form of content on a web page, content on your YouTube channel, content in a Facebook group, on a Facebook page, on your personal profile, and then again, that email list and those content and those offers are all going to take them over to your affiliate offer where you're going to earn a commission. Now that's a very high level look at this. So let's dig a little deeper and talk about exactly what that affiliate offer is, or where you can find that affiliate offer. One of the biggest and one of the easiest places besides Amazon is ClickBank. And ClickBank is primarily a marketplace for digital products. And the reason I'm showing you ClickBank is because they have just about everything in every niche. And a niche is just a group of people with a problem. And that's what your content is going to do, is provide a solution to that problem, with the end goal being your target market or audience going over to that affiliate sales page and purchasing the offer, and again, you earning a commission. So why am I showing you ClickBank? Simply because ClickBank lays everything out for you. How to find products to promote, new to affiliate marketing, a knowledge base, and gives you the basics of how to do everything on ClickBank. And then they have all the categories laid out for you: arts and entertainment, seen on TV, betting systems, cooking, food, wine, education, employment, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, even languages. So it gives you the ideas right here inside the categories how to pick a niche. Now, I know this can be a little bit challenging, but don't let that part scare you off, because there are other resources on the internet, such as over at Niche Hacks, 15 best niches with high profit, and then it talks about personal finance, web hosting, e-commerce, travel. Again, I think you can see how these high profit niches line up with what's going on over at ClickBank with their categories. So again, we'll pop back to the diagram, and you're talking here again your target audience, creating videos on YouTube with high quality content that solve a problem and lead them over to your squeeze page, onto your email list, where you create more content and offers, again, to take them over to your affiliate offers so you can earn a commission. And I know a lot of this seems like it's something you could never do, or you just don't know where to start. But for example, your squeeze page and your email list can all be created in something called Groove Pages or GrooveFunnels. This is a look inside of GrooveFunnels. Of course, there's a link in the description. Actually, there's a link to everything that I talk about in this video in the description to try to make it as easy as possible for you to get all this information. And of course, I cover things like GrooveFunnels, Groove Pages, and GrooveMail, which, if we go back to the diagram, is one way you can create your squeeze page and your email list, and you can do that all for free. Actually, everything you do here on the screen, you can do for free. You can have your content up on YouTube for free. Again, allowing your target audience to find your content and then come over to your squeeze page. Again, squeeze page that you created for free on Groove Pages. email list that you created inside of GrooveFunnels using GrooveMail. Content and offers, again, YouTube, Facebook, or more pages that you create inside of Groove pages inside of GrooveFunnels. And then take your target audience or lead your target audience over to that affiliate offer. So exactly what kind of content am I talking about here on YouTube that your target audience can find? Let's pop over to YouTube. And inside of YouTube, you have a search engine. And the typical one is how to. You just look at how to do something. You are trying to show people how to solve their problem. So just think of it in simple questions and answers that you're providing. People have questions, you're providing answers. How to, how do I? That is all you do when you're coming up with the content. So let's go back to that diagram one more time. And again, your target audience is on YouTube, squeeze page, email list, content and offers over to affiliate offer page. Again, we're talking about YouTube here. We're talking about creating simple content, even content where you're not on camera. Of course, being on camera is more effective because you actually get that connection just like you would if I was standing in front of you right now. I'm speaking directly to you, but it is not necessary. You could easily do these same types of videos where you're showing someone how to do something. For example, how to install WordPress. And as an example right here, how to install WordPress for the first time, 197,000 subscribers, 36,000 views, and his face is not on the screen. He is simply just recording his screen, showing people how to install WordPress. And you can see here, show more. You can see all the links here for hosting, other things that are WordPress specific. And if you scroll down here, you're going to see even more notices and how to get a free course. All these are list building sites and content that is being created by this creator on how to solve the problem of how to install WordPress, providing simple videos, how-to videos, answering a specific question inside a specific niche, and then leading out to affiliate offers to earn a commission. So again, your target audience is on YouTube. All you need to do is create content. Then you create your squeeze page, collect their email address, follow up with them with more content and offers, and that eventually leads over to the affiliate offer. And again, that's where you earn the commission, and that's how you make money online with affiliate marketing. I know a lot of this is overwhelming. That's why check the first link in the description and the pinned first comment. I have a simple step-by-step blueprint there. I have a complete walkthrough and a review of a simple traffic blueprint that you can use to get started today. Again, link in the description and the pinned first comment. Check that out and all the other resources that I've talked about here in this video. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see right here. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.